All right, and this is Jameel Rawls with Cosmic Science. And right now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to look at Kabbalah, and this comes up under practical Kabbalah, but we're going to be looking at amulets and incantations. Now, when it comes to amulets, I want people to get a good dose, a good perception of what an amulet is. An amulet is basically a fetish. Much like the American Indians in North America would take a rock, a feather, and some paint and create a little amulet. That's known as a fetish, right? And the vibrational frequency of the components of the fetish, of the amulet, is what makes up the amulet. And you will see over in places like Africa, the tribesmen and the leader of the tribesmen will take a cheetah fur and wear it, right? To use cheetah fur or lion fur. And 12-year-old boys in Africa can kill lions, but the lion fur is a symbol of superiority, so to speak. And the vibration of the lion is on the individual when they wear it. If you wear a lion fur or a cheetah fur, you're carrying the vibrational frequency, the vibrational signature of the creature, of the lion being. And that changes your reality. That vibrational signature that's in there. When you make lion-like chants or noises and hums, that changes vibrational signature significantly. So, going back, we're looking at Kabbalah again, and we're looking at the amulets of Kabbalah, and that's what makes up the power within these amulets, this vibrational frequency, such as crystals. Oftentimes, people will get crystals, and crystals are millions of years old. A lot of people will even say crystals are their gateway to the Akashic records, because they store all the information from the earth. And crystals are used to make amulets. If you go back to the ancient Phoenicians, you will notice that a lot of the amulets they use are erotic. The funny thing is the ancient Phoenicians, the little amulets that they use, you will see, crystal, phallic symbolism in the amulets. Crystal phallic symbolism, set depictions of sexual acts. And in the ancient Phoenician amulets. It's very interesting. But, okay, now you have the amulets, and you're carrying amulets, and your vibrations changing, your frequencies changing. Within the amulets, oftentimes, will be a spell. You have the amulet, you're carrying an amulet, and then there might be a spell written within the amulet, like an incantation bowl. Incantations may be written throughout the amulet. So amulets and incantations go together. Amulets and incantations go together. And the power of writing something out, spelling something. And I did some work previously on automatic writing, where I talked about the metaphysical aspects of writing a spell. You can write something a lot of times, and it will manifest. You can write, you want to get this job, and it will manifest. And you say what you're writing out loud. So if you use the vibration of your voice, you're putting the incantation under your sound. So on the amulets, a lot of times there will be writing incantations. So it goes hand in hand. And that's the magic of Kabbalah.